Identify the reactants and their states. The reaction involves solid aluminum metal, Al, and an aqueous solution of copper, 2, chloride, CuCl2. In solution, CuCl2 exists as Cu to the power 2 plus and Cl to the power negative ions. Determine the initial oxidation states. As an element in its standard state, Al has an oxidation number of 0. In the compound CuCl2, copper has an oxidation number of +2. Analyze the activity series/reduction potentials. According to the table of standard reduction potentials, the potential for Cu to the power 2 plus 2 e to the power negative gives Cu is plus 0.34 V, while for Al to the power 3 plus 3 e to the power negative gives Al, it is minus 1.66 V. Because aluminum has a much more negative reduction potential, it is more easily oxidized than copper. Describe the electron transfer. Aluminum atoms will spontaneously lose electrons, oxidation, to become Al to the power 3 plus ions, while copper ions in the solution will gain those electrons, reduction, to become solid copper metal. Classify the reaction. A chemical process characterized by the transfer of electrons between species, resulting in changes in oxidation numbers, is defined as an oxidation-reduction, redox, reaction. Conclusion. The reaction is best represented by the net ionic equation 2Al plus 3Cu to the power 2 plus gives 2Al to the power 3 plus 3Cu. Confirming it is a redox process. The correct answer is option A, oxidation-reduction reaction.